Now I'm discussing the time division multiplexing. Multiplexing means that when many user sends data at a time in a single channel. Multiplexing in times means that simply means transmitting an item from one source, then transmitting an item from another source, and so on. That is, each data is mainly used for the data, digital signal, and that is transmitted by each time slot to each sender. So many users can share the time. Time division multiplexing is a digital process that can be applied when the data rate capacity of the transmission medium is greater than the data rate required by the sending and the receiving devices. TDM is a digital multiplexing technique to combine data. Suppose there are four information source and 4 receiver is there. That is the 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 information source and these are the receiver. When one information source 1 sending data packets on either 3 is idle. Then after certain moment 2 sending, 3 sending, 4, there is a synchronization. So always need a synchronization bit when sending the data. Channel 1, when this channel is not dedicated to any particular source. One sending data when his slot is come. Then information source 2 sends data. Information source 3, then next. So there need a synchronization. Synchronization is a very key point or important point of time division multiplexing. TDM can be implemented in 2 ways. One is the synchronous TDM and another is the asynchronous. In synchronous TDM, the term synchronous means the multiplexer allocates exactly the same time slot to each device at all time, whether or not a device and anything to transmit. Frames. Time slot are grouped into frames. A frame consists of one complete cycle of time slot, including one or more time slot dedicated to each sending device. Synchronous TDM. Channel 1, information source 1 sending data, then information source, if information 2 is idle till his slot come, he may not send data, but his slot will come. This is the drawback of synchronous. The problem of synchronous TDM, unfilled slot. TDM frame. Statistical TDM. Illustration shows the statistical multi avoid unfilled slot. When that is A1, A2, A3, all is there, A1, then B1, then C is avoided as C have no information. So this TDM process have some intelligence. So statistical TDM actually avoiding the problem of synchronous TDM. So main key is for the time division multiplexing is that each transmitter sharing time slot. The entire this channel is not dedicated for any information source only. They get some time slot. The entire data of A cannot be sent at a time. The part of data or the packet sent first, then the next one, then the third one in when slot come. So each information source sharing the same channel but time slot basis. This is the TDM. Thank you.